Hi, I'm Dee-Dee Robinson with Dee-Dee Home Realty, and I'm here at GreyHawk with Deanna and Frank with Lennar.
Hello.
Hi. We're going to be putting on an event. It's a home ownership workshop on February the 23rd at 11:30 a.m. And we're going to have something for everyone. First-time home buyers, sellers, move-up buyers, people who are downsizing. They're going to tell us a little bit about the products they have that will benefit anyone who's looking to become a homeowner or who's looking to sell and move up or downsize. You want to tell us about the community, Deanna, first?
Yes, welcome to GreyHawk. Great community opening here in Clay County. We're a gas community for those buyers that love to cook and basically prefer the gas over the electric. Lennar is basically home of the everything included, such as your quartz countertops, your 42-inch cabinets. Everything that you would want typically as an upgrade is included already in the price. So really all you have to do is just pack your bags and move straight into your home, and Frank and I can help you do that. Let us guide you home to GreyHawk.
Frank, what products do you have for a first-time home buyer?
So Dee, I'm glad you asked that. Across from NAS Jacks, we end up having a community called Hills of Ortega. It's a townhouse community, and their homes are 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 1,700 square feet, and they start as low as $189,990. So they're a pretty great place to start. We also have some a little bit higher priced first-time home buyers in here at GreyHawk.
Or maybe someone who wants to be in GreyHawk and they want to downsize, perhaps.
So downsizing in here, we have homes that are as low as 2,200 square feet. Both our Tivoli and Princeton floor plans. They're 4 bedrooms, 4-bedroom, 3 baths on our Tivoli, and our Princeton is a 3-bedroom, 2 bath with a study floor plan. I always like to say some people are kitchen people and some people are living room people. If you're a kitchen person, the Tivoli might work for you. If you're a living room person, maybe it's the Patriot for you.
Awesome. There's something for everyone. Lennar. Deanna, you mentioned that your lender has some first-time home buyer loan products.
Yes, absolutely. Eagle Home Mortgage is our preferred lender with Lennar. There's a couple of programs available for first-time home buyers. There's Eagle Edge, and then there's the Florida Bond. So either program, just depending on the buyer's need and their objective on how long they're going to be in the home, on which program is going to make most sense for them.
Awesome. Again, Lennar has something for everyone. Our home ownership workshop on February the 23rd will be for first-time home buyers, move-up buyers, people who need to sell and downsize. We can help everyone who's interested in either buying or selling. That's what makes this workshop different. So please try to attend on the 23rd at 11:30. There will be refreshments. There will also be door prizes. You don't want to miss it.